Screen curtain off. Stop recording. Button. Double
Hi
tap to activate.
everyone, it's Matt here, and I'm making this video to ask a question to anybody, including Bryant, who owns a Sense Player. My question is, can you add more alarm sounds? Because the reason I ask this...
07. Modify dialogue. Hour, minute, echo, term, every, echo, melody 333, list item. Melody to list item. Melody 1 list item. Melody 3 list item. Melody 2 list item. Melody 1 list item. Modify complete. 07, 0 a.m. combo box. File manager.
That's why I'm curious, because you only get those 3 sounds, and I want to be able to add more alarm sounds. Then again, I don't expect to use this as a fucking full-time alarm clock. I have my iPhone for that. But, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to ask that question. I've got a couple videos coming out. One's kind of an update and a message to some certain people, because I'm aggravated, kind of. But another is actually comparing the Sense Player internet radio, because there is some weird shit going on with it. And those that have a Braille Sense 6 also can compare this as well. Thanks to Xander, though, I did get an audio file that I can test compare to. Anyway.
Stop recording.